Okay, so here we have a pony wall that was built into the gym to separate the cage that's on one side with the trolley rack system on the other. According to the schematic that was sent and built, this was supposed to be built with 2x6s. Somebody built it with 2x4s, which is still sturdy, but what you can see is when the pad manufacturer made it, we have a little bit of an overhang that's not supposed to be here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up padding this side. We're gonna cut the top off the top, refinish the top, and make it sit as flush as we can with this wall to give a nice padded look all the way around. Let's take a look at how we do that. So what we have here is the pad that we're gonna slide underneath the top. You can see the finished product here where it's together. It looks like this on the inside where the staples sit flush inside and you can see the top shelf, and then the vinyl wraps over the top. I knocked this off with the hammer, it fell. We cut off pieces of the vinyl here, and now we gotta refinish this edge. So let's take a look at how we're gonna do that. So I basically cut an angle in, that way I can fold it flush, fold the corner over, and I get that nice finished edge. Shoot that staple in to hold it. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. This one was already cut improperly, but we're gonna try to make this work. So we're gonna move these things out of the way. You wanna make sure it pulls tight, but don't crunch it because you don't want the front end to wrinkle. So we're just gonna lay it nice and flush here across the top. I'm gonna start on this corner right here. There we go. Kind of just give it a little pull, nice and snug. Probably should pick up a new gun. And then I'm just gonna fold this. Always, never fold it out. Always try to fold it underneath to get it to sit right. Perfect. We can take our blade now. And then we just have a little bit of excess here, so we don't need to staple it all the way down. We're just gonna cut this out because it's gonna be hidden behind the wall pad here. And we should be able to put this up and underneath. Let's just check the fit.